Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Kia Sorento. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your Sorento on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground to prevent any movement. Locating the correct jacking points is crucial for stability. Once safety measures are in place, it's time to position your jack. Carefully slide the jack under the vehicle, aligning it precisely with the designated jacking point on the frame. Make sure the jack saddle is centered and securely seated to prevent slipping. Never place the jack on the suspension, differential, or any other non-structural components. Now, begin to slowly raise your Kia Sorento using the jack. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is completely clear of the ground. Once lifted, immediately place a sturdy jack stand under a secure frame point adjacent to the jack. Then, gently lower the vehicle until it rests firmly on the jack stand, providing crucial secondary support. When you're ready to lower your Sorento, first slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stand. Carefully remove the jack stand from its position. Then, slowly and steadily lower your Kia Sorento all the way down to the ground. Once fully lowered, remove the jack and the wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.